Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by identifying the exact device and voice service you need to disable. This matters because settings differ per system. Once done, make a quick backup of voice shortcuts or accessibility presets so you can restore them later if desired. Next, open Settings and go straight to Accessibility or the specific assistant panel, Siri, Google Assistant, Cortana, or Alexa, because you'll toggle core controls there. Do this now. Pausing at this step prevents accidental losses later. You'll now remove active listeners. Disable the wake word and voice activation options so the device stops responding automatically. Then, go to Privacy or App Permissions and revoke microphone access for apps that trigger voice control. This prevents background reactivation. After that, switch off any system-level voice control toggle in Accessibility. This cuts the OS-level hooks. Make sure to confirm or save each change. Otherwise, some assistants re-enable after updates or restarts. Finish by rebooting the device to ensure all listeners and background processes are cleared. A restart often completes the removal. If voice features still trigger, inspect third-party apps, messaging, launcher, or accessibility tools, and disable or uninstall any that request microphone or assistive control. If problems persist, reset voice settings or restore your earlier backup selectively, testing after each step. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.